Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for LDO. So as always, our key level criteria, what we look for is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. We don't have a lot of data to play with, so let's plot what we can. The first thing we notice is our swing low, so we plot a key level. The next level we see is a swing high. And that's all we have on the monthly chart. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. Alright, here on the weekly chart, what do we see? Well, we can see a swing high on the weekly, so let's color coordinate that. And we see a low forming here. Now, this weekly low, we can see price broke through and reacted with long wicks over here, acting as support. Now, price is over here, reacting to the same level that these wicks reacted to. So we have multiple reactions to this level. And what we notice, the reactions to our monthly level here with a breakthrough, price reversed back up, and long wicks reacting to the level. As we see a short bodied candle here, followed by a bearish engulfing candle off the key monthly level. So, this is actually all the key levels that we have on the chart, as this coin was released in May and we do not have a lot of data. But with the data that we do have, we have key levels that will give us an idea where price may react to if it reverses up. So if price reverses up from this level, as we can see key candlesticks here with a long wick, and we see inverse long wick here, as well as a green, or not a green, but a bullish candle. So if price comes back up, we can expect to see a reaction from the same monthly level that we've seen reactions here already. So that's all our key levels plotted on the chart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.